Hello, I'm Nat Ives, and this is 3-Minute Ad Age. When regulation of children's advertising developed in the 1970s, its primary concern was the impact of television commercials. Special rules were established to protect children younger than 12. But now digital communications have completely changed the marketing environment, and a growing number of new studies suggest that special measures may be needed to protect children older than 12. Ellen Wartella, a professor of psychology at the University of California and a KRU advisor, spoke of the new findings at the KRU conference.
The question is then, are adolescents in some ways particularly susceptible to advertising messages? And an argument can be built on the basis of what we know about adolescent development, that adolescents are generally knowledgeable about the persuasive intent of advertising, but they may still be vulnerable to marketing techniques that use and prey on the particular vulnerabilities of adolescents. The fact that they want to acquire self-esteem, that they are receptive to messages that portray products in a particularly popular way, that they will engage in risky behavior. Adolescents seem prone in particular to boomerang effects of doing the opposite of what you ask them to do. So if you say don't smoke in anti-smoking campaigns, that may be a way of getting them to try smoking or to drive in risky ways. In short, there is some suggestion that the techniques that are being used in marketing prey on the vulnerabilities we know are particular to that particular stage of development. So the last question, do adolescents require special protection? An argument could be made, and is being made somewhere in the literature, which suggests that the new understanding that adolescents are vulnerable to new digital marketing techniques is different from the nature of the vulnerabilities of young children in the television era. Some of the new digital marketing techniques which evoke high emotion and arousal and which ask for immediate responses, which stress peers and popularity of products, and which often engage in time pressures for youth to make quick decisions, these techniques make adolescents particularly vulnerable and susceptible. For this reason, adolescents may be particularly at risk in the new digital marketing environment. And this is an argument that is beginning to grow in the literature. There is growing both research on the science of adolescence and growing arguments in the literature about the special vulnerabilities of adolescence, which allows for a different kind of conceptual undergird for a new kind of self-regulatory or regulatory regime.
And that's it for this 3-Minute Ad Age. Thanks for being with us. I'm Nat Ives at Advertising Age in New York.